hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, we are doing a reorganizing my bookshelves because it's snowing outside. Okay, we're not snowed in, but I refuse to leave the house, and I've been meaning to do this for like 3 weeks now, and I haven't. So we're gonna reorganize my bookshelves. I think I'm gonna keep it color coordinated, but I'm just gonna move some stuff around. So I'll show you guys the shelves, and then what we're gonna do. So let's do it. Okay. And this is what it's looking like so far. Don't really love it. These are all like, I did a video, so like all my books are kind of messed up. These are all like new books, so I just need to move stuff around. I think I'm gonna move this to the bottom and then move it basically up. So we're gonna do that on here, and then over here I think I'm gonna I like how this looks for the most part. I think I'm gonna switch this one here, but we will see. So I have these here, and then this is like the bookshelf right next to my bed, which I don't really keep super full just because it's kind of like my nightstand mixed with my bookshelf. So I think I'm gonna move some of this around. This is like my series. These are all series. These are like the series authors, same thing. And then I think I'm gonna move this because I don't really like having, these are all like Colleen Hoover books, but I want to just put them in my shelf and not just have a, you know. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is, actually I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's maybe start over on this shelf here and then figure it out. Yeah. Leave that for now because I'm going to bring some of the other books over here and then just fill in the spots. Also, I have books on the side here, so. I think this is good for the shelf for now. I filled up every inch, like pretty much this whole shelf is just full to the brim. So yeah, we're gonna leave this. I'm gonna move on to this shelf like over here, like the floating ones, and move stuff around there and see what we need to do. I don't really know if I want to move this, like all of my like off-campus and Briar U series off of the shelf and move it over there and move some of that here. I don't know. I know I'm moving this though over there, I think. So let's, I'm gonna, hold on. Okay, these go here. I am gonna move this though. Do I like this here? Okay, this is a little too high for here, so maybe I'll move these. Because I know there's other books in the series, so it'll fill up this shelf. See, these ones kind of match like the color, but I'm like, do I want to leave this here or put this over there? I kind of want to move it over there. I want to move these. I think these look good here. But then I'm like, what do I put next to it? Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, I think I like that. It's like simple and plain. Okay, now we have this shelf here. I think I'm gonna move the Shatter Me series over there just because I don't really like how it looks here. So I'm gonna move these. I'm like, do I want to meet these? Because they're all sports romances. I don't like that. Let's go back over there. That looks good. I like the color. It like kind of goes together. Doing my bookshelves is so hard because I'm so indecisive with the way I like things to look, which makes me sound so crazy because it's just like books, but to me it's like, no, it has to look perfect, which sounds psychotic, but it's fine. I don't know if I love this here. These ones I like. Okay, hold on. I think I'll move this here. Maybe I'll move these. Now you guys can see the whole thing, but I think I'm gonna move these on the top shelf. I think. Yeah, I like how that looks better. Too much. Oh fuck! I broke the Statue of Liberty. I broke the Statue of Liberty on my thing. Okay, I'm gonna do this shelf because I know, or the bottom shelf. I think I'm gonna add these here because that like the color scheme goes with them, right? I'm just gonna do that. I think that looks good, right? I want to put these here. Can this fit? That's good. Now these two shelves are empty, so I don't know what I want to do. I don't want to add these here. That looks so ugly. I don't know where to put these then. That looks kind of cute. At this point, I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't like that showing, you know? Hold on. Oh my god, I bent this so bad. That looks okay, right? So far, right? I think I'm gonna move my Lauren Asher books back here because I like them on the shelf. Like, I like them being there, and then this can go back there, right? Now that we have this, I think I'm gonna put the other books up there. I think these will look cute up here. This. And then my little call. We're done. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Okay, so here's this shelf. I basically did the same. Oh, I actually have to move these because I moved them back. Hold on. You know momentum. Okay, so yeah, here's this. I switched the color coordination order. So black is now at the bottom, and it goes to like grays, whites, weird colors, and then like greens, blues, more greens, yellows. So we have that, which I like the way it looks. I think it's super cute. So, and then these ones I didn't switch. These ones I just stayed. These are all like series anyways, so I just kept them there. This, it looks a lot more empty now, which I actually kind of like more. But I left the off-campus series at the top with the Briar U. And then this is like the Knock Mount or whatever series with that one there. And then this one, the Addicted series, the Calloway Sisters. And these ones here, which I actually really like how this area looks. I think it's cute but simple. And then this area here, I put these like darker books up here. And I actually angled this where it looks like more like this because it looks so empty. So I filled up the space. I put the series there. I might turn them that way. I don't know yet. And then these ones, I actually like the way it looks. It looks like kind of empty. It looks like I have more space, which is what I wanted now that this is full. So we have that. Sorry, that was me reorganizing my books. It took like an hour to do it, so it didn't take too long. But I like the way it looks. It's a little good switch up. Also, I got all the new books that I got in my shelves, which is what I wanted. But yeah, that was the book video. If you guys want any other book videos, let me know in the comments. But that was that. I'm going to be doing a TBR, like everything in my TBR, which is a lot of these books. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I love y'all. Don't forget to love yourself. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. I was going to say peace out, scouts.